this is Litre Pro. Today we're a 2017 Hyundai Sonata, stock number 7302. It's ran from the 10th 2014 to the 1st 2020. There's a G4KJ 2 litre, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lip no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory American tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, the front sun visor, factory 4-spoke rear steering wheel, instrument cluster.